Hello, today we will guide you through how to move trash mail to inbox in Gmail. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser. You can search for Gmail if needed, then click into the Gmail website. If you are not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account first so you can access your mailbox and folders. Before moving a message back to the inbox, this walkthrough first demonstrates how an email ends up in the trash. This helps make the full process easier to understand from start to finish. Once you are inside Gmail, go to your inbox and choose an email you want to use for the example. After selecting it, click the delete icon in the top toolbar. This sends the message to trash. Next, look to the left side navigation menu. If you do not immediately see the trash or bin folder, click More to expand the list of folders and labels. Once the hidden options appear, click Bin. In some Gmail layouts, this folder may be called Trash, but it serves the same purpose. Here you will see the emails that have been deleted. Now find the message you want to recover and either click it or select it from the list. Make sure you have the correct email highlighted before continuing, especially if you have several deleted messages in the folder. After selecting the email, go to the top navigation menu again and click the Move to icon. This option lets you send the selected message to another folder instead of leaving it in bin. When the menu opens, choose Inbox. At this point, Gmail will move the message out of bin and place it back into your inbox. To confirm that the action worked, click on Inbox from the left menu and check for the email there. If it appears, that means the message has been successfully restored. One helpful tip is to act before the email is permanently removed from trash, since messages stored there do not stay forever. Also, if you accidentally click on the email instead of checking the box beside it, that is fine. You can still use the available toolbar options once the message is open. And that's it. You've successfully moved a trashed email back into your Gmail inbox using the bin or trash folder and the Move to option.